Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Saya nama saya. In this occasion, I want to making about nurse video tutorial about the understanding the DHCP dynamic host configuration protocol. And have you ever connect the laptop to a Wi-Fi or a LAN network and immediately got the internet connection that's thanks to the DHCP? Dynamic host configuration protocol, but how does it work? In this video, I'll explain how the activation IP addressing automatically and even show you the configuration practice. Let's define it. And then for the DHCP is network protocol that ultimately assign the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS setting. The device and network with a DHCP will have to manually control each device, which is bit consuming and prone to errors. So the first step, the HTTP process is using animation or diagrams, just like in this image. The first step is the HTTP discover. What happened is the HTTP discover the client device broadcast and the HTTP discover message to the network. Yes, the client having want to getting the IP for connection internet, and the processing will find a DHCP server that can provide the IP address, and he will be finding the server, DHCP server for he, he want to giving some IP to the client. And the first example message saying, hey, is there a DHCP server available? I need the IP address. And then the server, okay. And then next the step, DHCP offer. What happened with the DHCP offer? The DHCP server respond with the DHCP offer message. Just just like before, DHCP is just not like before. Just before DHCP discovery, the client want to having the internet connection, and then he want to getting the IP address from the server, the HTTP server. Just the HTTP server responding with the HTTP client. The client want to getting the IP and include the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and all this time how long the client can use the IP. For the message send example, I am the DHCP server. You can use the IP 192, 192, 198, 1 and 100 for the 24 hours. And then the step 3, the HTTP request. And what happened with the HTTP request? The client sent an HTTP request to the server having want to use the offer IP. The client he will want to getting the IP address or IP for the connection. He receive for the rules of the from the HTTP server, like and then the message for the example message sent. Thanks, I'll take the IP 192, 198, 101, and 100. Then the step 4, the HTTP AC key. AC key is the HTTP acknowledge. And what happened with the HTTP acknowledge? The HTTP person, a HTTP acknowledgement confirming that a client can use the asset IP, and the client is now connected and access to the network to the HTTP server. Just for the example message sent, confirm it. You can use IP 192, 168, 1 and 100 for 24 hours. Yes, he will giving that IP for his before for the client getting the offer from the DHCP server. Okay. Now we're gonna do the configuration about the DHCP server and the DHCP client. Uh, Now we gonna do that and device finding the server, this server, then server, and then the end device giving the PC4 and then PC5. There's two PC, and then we need the network device is that the switch. Okay, the switch. Now we're gonna connect it with automatically connected. Okay. Now I'm gonna do server. Open server. Desktop. Go to IP configuration and giving the IP. It's 100, and the subnet mask is /24, and the default gateway is 20. Okay. Now gonna do service. This one service. Go to the DHCP and then even full name is DHCP server server, and giving the default gateway is 20, and then a server. For the DNS server is the like you can giving 20, 20, 21. No, 20, 100. Just like before the IP configuration. Now start IP address is 20, 20, 21, and the subnet mask is 25 to 225, 255, 255, 255. This is 1, 2, 3, and then the last is 0 because it's /24. Okay, and the maximum number eraser is 10. Now add and then save it. Okay, now close it. Now we gonna do PC. Go to the desktop IP configuration, and now click hit the DHCP. Okay, waiting. Have the problem. Wait. Okay. Oh yeah. Don't forget to draw surface on. I forgot to say it here. Surface is on. Now we're gonna do desktop, IP configuration, and the HTML. Yes, that is successful. Successful. Okay, maybe that's all for the video tutorial about the HTTP server and the HTTP client. I'm sorry if there are some mistake for me, for my word, or others. Sorry if there are mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in below. If you want to making, I making the another tutorial. So just comment. See you next time in the next video. Bye guys.